Nanbong A9 Super High-Speed Intelligent Template Sewing Machine. With the rapid development of Industry 4.0, Nanbong applies advanced sensing technology to intelligent template machines. Let the template machine replace the traditional processing of clothing that relies on a lot of labor. Accelerate the transformation of the garment industry from traditional manufacturing to smart manufacturing. This is not just a reduction in labor costs and energy consumption. It is also the improvement of efficiency, output value, and quality. Nanbong Technology has started the development and manufacture of template machines since 2014. After 6 years of continuous innovation and improvement, with the growing market sales volume and good reputation proved that the template machine is the necessity of the garment industry upgrade transformation, is a product that really changes the way clothing is produced. Efficient sewing. The core of the template machine is located in intelligent one-person multi-machine operation. Take the down jacket processing as an example. Before using the template machine, each group is 20 people. After adding 4 template machines, 8 workers were reduced. The group's output is still maintained as 20 people. The finished product stitches are stable and beautiful, and the quality is better. For example, the monthly salary of 8 workers is about 40,000 RMB, and the annual savings can be 480,000 RMB. A total of 200,000 RMB will be invested in 4 template machines, and the cost will be recovered in 1 year. The use of the template machine saves the company a lot of labor costs. Widely used in garment production, such as down jacket, cotton clothing, casual wear, clothing patch bags, zippers, trademarks, and so on. At the same time, it can also be applied to special sewing processes in the fields of car seat cushions, fabric sofas, bags, leather, home textiles, and so on. Features. With the latest oil-free lubrication technology, the hook adopts the oil line seepage lubrication technology. The hook oil volume is more stable. Eliminate the troubles caused by oil pollution and improve the quality of clothing. The machine head is free of refueling, vibrates less, and sounds lighter. The user-friendly electronic control system realizes the change of graphics on the screen, and the operation is more intuitive. Programmable adaptive intermediate pressure foot, medium pressure foot, and needle perfectly match. Change the height of the presser foot as programmed with the thickness of the fabric. Can prevent the light material from the thread breakage. Prevent the heavy material from pressure foot noise. Configure a new generation of precision stepper motor trimming. The trimming sound is light, and the knife set is not easy to wear. The trimming time, speed, and stroke can be adjusted on the electronic control, and the adjustment is more convenient. Using advanced sensing technology, using RFID sensing, automatically recognize multiple patterns. The sensor chip can be reused. It is simpler and more convenient than barcode scanning operation, and the positioning is more precise. The movable template cylinder can quickly adjust the position and adapt to different specifications of the template. The template is automatically top-loaded, and the clamping template is quick and convenient. The bottom plate is enlarged and aggravated. The feeding mechanism has better synchronism, more stable performance, less vibration, and longer service life. The side opening and closing table are convenient for threading and changing the bobbin thread, and the operation is more convenient. Nanbang Intelligent Template Sewing Machine, integrating research and development, manufacturing in one. The company vigorously introduces talents and equipment. With advanced large-scale processing equipment, CNC Intelligent Machining Center, higher precision in each component, improved product performance and quality, establish a rigorous parts inspection process and a factory inspection process. In the future, every Nanbang people will make every production and service detail with the spirit of excellence in craftsmanship. Become a trusted partner of our customers. Nanbang, make sewing better.